What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, everyone. And today I want to do a room tour. So we are. Ooh, look at that. So I have actually good lighting in this room, but not so good because, like, look, it's like shadows. So I'm gonna do a room tour today. And yeah, so. So let's get on to the video, right? Yeah, let's get on to the video. Okay, guys, so the first thing I'm going to be showing is I'm going to be showing you guys my bed. So here's my bed, and it's actually going to be like, it's a Paris theme. So let's do a little tiny montage. Okay, guys, so that was my bed. So my bed is actually comfy, like I sleep in it. And yeah, so yeah. So now we're gonna move on to my vanity. That's the mirror. Okay, so here's my vanity right here. Hey, here's my vanity. I have one mirror right here. I have one right here. I have one right here. And then down here, I have this like crystal thing. Here's my drawer. Nothing in it, but I'm gonna start putting like makeup stuff in it, or something in it. And then here's my actual chair, but I put a pillowcase on top because like when I do my makeup here, because I actually do my makeup. I do not know where my makeup kit is. My sister does it, but when I do it, I have to sit there because I don't want to mess up the white. Okay, and then here on the wall, it says, "You're never too little to dream big." And then it shows a little puppy. Let's do a montage on this whole thing. Even the puppy. Okay, guys, so that was a montage. Now, we're going to do this blue chair. So this blue chair is actually... Oh, and if you guys are wondering what this is... The same thing. But I need another pillow to do that. So I'm just putting it here. Here's my blue fluffy chair. I really like it because it's so fluffy. Like, I can even sleep on it. Okay, I might do a video 24 hours on my blue chair. Or somewhere else, like in the bathroom. Anyways, here's my white rug. It's beautiful. And then I have my blue piano. Over here, I actually have a silicone baby. Then I have this art kit right next to it in this little shelf. And also in this little shelf, I have Kendall. They put Magic, but my last name was Mansell because I got it mixed up. Then in this shelf, I have a piggy bank. I have some shoes. I might put it on my sofa. I have a little unicorn. So the month. And then I have some mini ears. And I have a puppy, a bouquet. I have another little piggy right here. These were both mine, but I'm giving this one to my sisters. What is up here? I have some body lotion.